There are other ways of doing multiplication besides the traditional algorithm, and I'm going to show you one of them now. It's called lattice multiplication. I'm going to write that up. Lattice, L-I-T-T-I-C-E, multiplication. So a lattice is something you might have at your house. It's a kind of wooden structure, kind of looks a bit like this. And they've got these cross pieces for strength. And they're often found in gardens, and plants can kind of grow on them, or fruit and flower. And so this kind of multiplication, instead of using the lines, the horizontal lines, uses a kind of arrangement like this, a lattice. Okay, so let's say we have a question like this one. 3,625 multiplied by 6. So instead of doing the traditional algorithm, we're going to put this into a lattice. So I'm going to rewrite this number down here, 3,625 times, and the 6 goes underneath. And then under it, because it's a single digit multiplication, I'm going to do this kind of mini lattice arrangement. It looks like this. You can, if you wish, extend these out for the final step. But that's optional. You can leave that part out if you want. I'll just leave it in for the time being. Now we're going to do our multiplication. Some classes that I've had in the past really love this system because the carrying works in quite a different way. There's dramatically less carrying, as you're about to see. Okay, so let's do the multiplication. Once again, we're going to multiply everything by this number first. So 6 times 5 is 30, and you can see how I've written the 30 in the lattice. Now it's 6 times 2, which is 12, 6 times 6, which is 36, and 6 times 3, which is 18. And you might be able to guess by the way that a lattice is arranged what I'm going to do with these numbers. I'm going to kind of add them across in the diagonals. So I'll change colour just to make it a bit clearer. So this is 0, there's nothing but the 0 here. Here you've got 3 plus 2, which is 5. Here you've got 1 plus 6, which is 7. Here you've got 8 plus 3, which is 11, so there's a little bit of carrying there, but not much. And here, 1 plus 1 is 2. So I might just write it underneath to make it a bit clearer. 21750. Number space. So that's 21,750. So there's a lot less carrying there. Just to verify that this is true, I'm now going to do it using the traditional algorithm, the one that we normally use. So 3,625 times 6. Do my lines. So multiply away. So 6 times 5 is 30. Put down the 0, carry the 3. 2 times 6 is 12. 13, 14, 15. Carry the 1. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 1 is 37. Carry the 3. And 3 6s are 18. Plus 3 is 21. And you can see that I've come up with the same answer. So you can use the lattice method if that is easier for you. You can use both as a way of checking that you've got the right answer without having to ask a teacher, or you can just use the traditional algorithm. And there are other methods of doing multiplication too, and I'll show you those in due course. So the lattice method, use it if you wish.